So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in our today's class, we will be working on a concept that's called simplifying algebraic expressions. So here I have 12 questions available. So I will be solving and simplifying algebraic expressions by combining the like terms. So let's just move towards the very first question that I have. This is 3x squared minus 5x cubed minus x parentheses 2x squared plus 4x. So I will start by distributing x. So here I have 5x cubed minus x multiplied by 2x squared, that is equivalent to 2x to the power of 3 plus 4. Actually this is the minus sign over here, right? So this minus sign will make this positive sign a negative sign because we are distributing it. So it will become minus 4x squared. So now you can see we have some like terms available over here, this one and this one, that they are the like terms. Similarly these two are the like terms. So what I will get minus 5 and 2, that's equivalent to minus 7x to the power of 3, and then 3x squared minus 4x squared, that's equivalent to minus x squared. So that is the answer for the very first question that I have. Now I'm gonna move towards the second question over here. As you can see, it is a squared minus 2a. So as you can see, this minus 2a and this minus 10a, they are the like terms, right? So I'm gonna write them according to their degrees. A squared and minus 2 and minus 10a, that's equivalent to minus 12a plus 1, and that's the most simplified form, and it cannot be simplified after that. So in the third question I have minus 3s squared plus 2s squared. These two are the like terms, right? So I will solve them, but before that I have to write all the numbers according to their degrees. So 5s to the power of 3, it is having the greatest degree, so I will write it down into the very starting. Minus 3s squared plus 2s squared, that is equivalent to minus s squared, and then this 17 and this 5, if you add them together, that's going to be equivalent to 22. So this is the answer that I will get for this one, and that's the most simplified version of it. Now let's just move toward the fourth question over here. So for this one I'm going to be applying the same rules. 8p to the power of 3 minus 4, this minus 5 will start distributing. So minus 5p to the power of 3 minus minus plus 5 times 2 is 10. Now if I combine them, 8p to the power of 3 and minus 5p to the power of 3, these two are the like terms. So this will give me 3p to the power of 3. Now 17p, that will remain the same way because it does not have any other number to combine with, plus 6. That is going to be the answer for the question number 4. Now after that I have some other questions available as well. Look at the question 5 real quick. So for this one, 3 multiplied by 7, that's 21, r to the power of 10 minus 3 times 4, that's 12, r to the power of that's 9, yeah. So minus 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, r to the power of 10. So now these two are the like terms, so they will solve. These two are the like terms, so it will give me 6 r to the power of 10 minus 12 r to the power of 9, and that's the most simplified version. We cannot simplify it further after that. So I'm gonna move towards the next question real quick now. This is question number 6 over here. So for this one, all the terms which are like, I'm going to combine them, like 11c to the power of this one and this one, they are the like terms, right? I'm going to combine them and it's going to give me 26c to the power of 5. After that, this one and this one, minus 9 and minus 13. So minus 9 and minus 13, that is going to give me minus 22, and minus 22 plus 5, right? So plus 5 I will get minus 17 c to the power of 5, sorry, c to the power of 6. Let me just edit it. Oops. Okay, so it's gonna work that way. And you can also write it down, like, you know, the number with the biggest degree, you will always write it down into the starting, just a way like this. Let me just mention it over here. So it's going to be like minus 17 c to the power of 6 plus 26 c to the power of 5. So that's going to be the final answer for it. So now I'm going to left few of the questions for you. So if you can just, like, you know, solve question number 7 or 8, I will be giving you some time. Like, you can just pause the video and solve these two questions, okay? I will move back to these two questions again, but I will solve 9, 10, 11 and 12 first, okay? Then I will move back to 7 and 8 and we will check if your answers are correct or not. So I'm solving question 9 real quick for you. For this one, as you can see, which of the number that I think are the like, this number is the like term, this number is the like term, and that one, these three numbers, they are like terms, right? So I'll get minus 17 if I combine minus 7 minus 10, and if I combine minus 5 with it, so that's going to give you minus 22. So minus 22 x to the power of 4. Now after that, this one and this one, these two are the like terms. So 25 plus 35, that gives me 60, plus 60 x to the power of 3. And after that, what is left? I'm left with this square only, so I'm going to just write it down that way, 15x square. So this is the most simplified version of it, and it cannot be simplified further after that. Then I have question number 10 over here. So I'm going to distribute 2n to the power of 2 plus 4n to the power of 2. And you can do one more thing, you can just simplify whatever that's inside the parentheses as well, but I will just do it in the ending. 2 times 5, that is 10, n to the power of 3 plus 8 n to the power of 3 plus 19. This is what I've got. So 2n, these square, if I combine them, it's equivalent to 6n square minus 10n cube, plus that's equivalent to minus 2 n to the power of 3 plus 19. So this is the answer for that. Now let's just move towards the question number 11. So if I just solve it, minus 5 b to the power of 6, 5 times 10, that is 50. And one more thing, as you can see, it's a negative sign, so it will make this sign a negative number, okay? Because whenever you get a negative sign outside the parentheses, it will always make whatever the sign that is inside the parentheses, it will make it, it will reverse it, I would say. So whatever the sign that is inside the parentheses, they will always be reversed. Next is 8 multiplied by 14, that's equivalent to minus 112 minus 8b to the power of 6. Now let's just combine them. So 8 and okay, if I combine these two numbers together, what I'm gonna get minus 13 b to the power of 6, and next 112 plus 50. I'm actually they're both negative numbers, so we will eventually add them, but the negative sign will be there. So 162. This is going to be the answer for this one. Now after that, the last question that I have over here, that's 10 plus 2y square. As you can see, there's a negative sign, so whenever there's a negative sign outside the parentheses, it will always reverse whatever the sign that is inside the parentheses. So 8y cube plus y square minus 5y to the power of 3. Now what I will be doing, I will be just solving them together. So I have like terms, this one and this one. This is equivalent to 3y square. Then this one, these two, that's equivalent to minus 13y to the power of 3, and this 10 will remain the same way. Now I'm going to just rearrange them. So minus 13y to the power of 3 plus 3y square plus 10. That is the answer for this question. So now I'm left with these two questions. I'm going to solve them real quick. So for this one, I hope you got the correct answer. So I'm going to just solve them, and you can just tally it, okay? You can just double check your answers. So as you can see, these are, one is positive and one is negative, they will cancel out with each other, and that is left with minus 4 m to the power of 3. That is the answer for this one. I hope you got the correct answer. Now I'm going to solve this one. As you can see, these two, when they let's just combine it later. Let's just distribute the negative sign first. Minus 8 d to the power of 3, that's minus 2 d square minus 5d. So as you can see, these two are going to cancel out with each other. So 5d square, this one is a negative sign, so 8d cube plus minus 5d. So I hope you got the correct answer for these two questions specifically. Alright, so this is all for the today's class. I hope you understood it. I solved 12 questions in front of you. You can check all of them one by one. And if you like our video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and give it a like as well. We'll see you in our next video. Bye for now.